Good morning everybody, and this is your S&P 500 day trade setups for today. So just looking at the daily bars on Friday, so Thursday we had this sort of a hanging man range bar more than anything else, and then Friday we had the inverse, so we've got a green pin bar. So that's just again indication of confusion. That's exactly what you should be expecting right now with the elections underway, well almost about to be underway. So the green bar that we have at the moment on the daily is basically based on Chinese data, which was relatively good. So I just want to get the levels in so we can just start with that. Okay, so first level to the upside is obviously this 32.95 area. That you can see there's quite a few daily candles on that, and then the next level to the downside is this 32.39 area. If you look to the left, you'll see quite a bit of interaction with that level there. So just moving down to levels we can trade. If you look at the chaos from Friday, Friday was pretty much a crazy day. I think it was down, if I'm correct. No, it was a 2% swing up, 2% swing down, 2% swing up. So really crazy volatile day yes on Friday. And I expect more of the same today. So this green bar that we see now on the 3 hour, as I said, that is Chinese data. We have a trend line here, and that's the first thing that's going to need to go. So let's just take the first two fractals. There they are. The first one, the second one, and you can see how it lines up. Just ignore that one for now, because that's basically going to turn out to be your second trend line. Okay, below the moving average, we're at a major level, a bit of consolidation, so anything can happen. I think for me to be confident that we are bottom of a range, let's come to the 8 hour for that, and you'll see first mucked around here, then up, then down, and then we're bouncing in the same area again. So for me to be confident that we actually are in a range and that you need to be trading a little bit to the upside is going to be a break pretty much above 32.95, break and a retest, or even this trend line, a break and a retest and a hold, and then I would expect us sort of something like that. It's a good 500 point trade, so there's nothing to frown about. Or alternatively, what you're going to see is us just muck around in these two levels here. So you can see bottom level will be 32.39 and the top level's going to be 33.11. Okay, so me personally, I'm staying out of this until elections are over tomorrow. So probably only be looking at the market, well, trading the market again on Wednesday. But if you do feel the need, should I rather say, to be in the market at the moment, I'd still be, I would look at the 15-minute, but look at what happened on Friday, below, above, below, above. You'd probably have to drill down even further to a 5-minute chart, and even that you can see here, breaks the moving average, retest, and then you've got some pretty volatile moves there. Okay, so there's no long-term positions at the moment. This is really all low time frames and small positions and big stops. Even this one here, you can see going into close, it was probably just profit taking going into close, but gap down, opened up, we're already opening, closing the gap, and now we're testing the trend line again. Okay, so yeah, until election's over, I don't see this changing much. I really don't see this changing at all. And you can see even the 20-minute for me is also a very good indication of what's going on. And you can see above, below, above, below, above moving average. What you're looking for is it to hold moving average like it did there, or alternatively, if I scroll all the way back, that kind of effect there. Okay, but we don't have that, so instead what we have is volatility. Okay, and this is basically election. It's election volatility, it's COVID volatility, it's stimulus volatility. It's all of it rolled into one, which is just making it worse. Okay, so for me personally, I'm staying out of this, not bothering with it. Just going to stress me out, so don't want to be stressed. I'll stay out of the market for now, wait for the elections, and then look for a position on this. At the moment, does look like we may be holding this level, and the reason I say that is just looking at the 8 hour, you can see lots of indecision here, lots of tail to the upside, lots of tail to the downside, bit of barbed wire, forming some kind of a flag onto a major level. And the other thing that you must bear in mind is it is a weekly level as well. 32.39 is a weekly level, and if you look at the monthly, nothing really there on the monthly level, but weekly levels are just as strong. Okay, so it's going to take quite some effort to break through 32.39, and on the weekly we are still in an upward trend. Okay, and for now range bound as far as I'm concerned. Okay, anyway guys, that's it for me today. Hope it helps, and we'll catch you later. Cheers for now.